Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale is a 1994 120 Evinrude Looper. So it's the big bore engine. It's a 2-stroke, 20-inch, fresh tune-up, new plugs, new water pump, fuel system's been cleaned. Comes with the control box, and I don't know if it's got a prop on it. I think there's a prop comes with it that's on the standard. Great motor, great compression. Like I said, freshwater Minnesota engine. So we'll fire it up here, let you hear it run, and go through it. Let it warm up for a minute. We got good water pumping. They do smoke, they're 2-strokes, but they sure scream. Good motors. Got tilt trim. This is not the control box you'll receive. You'll see the control box with a tilt trim switch in it. Runs up nice, neutral, reverse, neutral again, nice running motor, fire it back up. If you're interested, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email us at sales@bmr1.com. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you.